Hello everyone, welcome aboard my YouTube channel. So we're starting off with a brand new game today. So as you can see, we've got our cat staring into our face. We're in our apartment. We're a big fan of Green Lantern apparently. Okay. Hello catty. Wow, it's a really messy apartment. Shoot, I forgot how to walk. How would you forget how to walk? Okay. Ooh, now I remember. This graphics is amazing. It's quite similar to Pixel Gun, which we played before. Wow, we like Lego, we like Furry Tail, I don't know what that is actually. Oh, we got legs! We got legs, that's new. Got lots of notes and boxes, we've got our gaming box, what is this? This is an Xbox. Yeah, looks like an Xbox, okay. We've got our pot plant, we've got everything around here. Ooh. I'm not that dumb. Why do I need arrows to tell me what to do? Okay. So, Caddy needs feeding. What's your name? Let's call him... Oh, we got a hamster. I don't know what to call the cat, actually. Okay. Ooh. If you want, you guys can comment below of what you think the cat's name will be. Cat food. Oh, Mr. Flurry, okay. Okay, Mr. Flurry doesn't want cat food. He wants ketchup. Oh, you're demanding a hamster with ketchup. Oh, whoa. Why is the fridge going crazy? Why is the fridge going crazy? Difficult to... Oh! It's a black... Wait, it's a black hole! Mr. Furry, no! Come on! Wait, grab him, grab him, grab him! A black hole? What? Oh, boy. What is... Well, I told you we've been here for a reason for the last 2 years. Somebody finally got sucked in. Your fridge was so empty a black hole appeared and leads to our world. Oh, that's amazing. Tell us your name. We are a boy, and we are the one and only Captain Jer. I'm too lazy to memorize your name, I'm gonna call you that dude. Thanks. This fairy is... Whoa! A three-headed unicorn. I'm in fairyland. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, can I please have this? Oh, this is amazing. Hello. Ooh, we gave us a gun. Nice. Wait. I have to shoot targets of this person. Ooh, we have hamsters. What's a hamster do? Oh, it's a bomb. Okay. Nice. This is amazing. Wow. Let's go. We must rescue all cats. Whoa. Whoa, can I have those weapons, please? That was an awesome starting. Wow. Oh, okay, so we've got like a practice thing now. Okay, I'll just do the practice so we can get on with the levels. Oh, we died. Okay. Oh, revived. Nice. Yeah. Oh, come on. Gotcha. Gotcha. Can I reload? Oh my goodness, there's a chicken with a thing. Gotcha. Why is there so many? Why? Heroic jump. Here we go. Nice. Oh, heroic pain. Mr. Flurry, no! Whoa, okay. Where did you? Never matter. Don't care, just help rescue cats. Oh! So all the cats are being abducted by aliens? Just stand by and let them kidnap. What? Okay. What are we gonna get? Oh boy! UFOs. Get them. Nice. Oh, there's so many. Come on. No! He got away with the cat. Are you serious? No! Come on, that's not fair. Come on. Drat, seriously? Okay. Okay, I gotta reload. Okay, wow. These aliens are really bad. They're kidnapping all cats. Why? Just kidnap dogs. No, don't kidnap any. I like them. I like dogs. Die. Any more? Come on. Oh. No, he's gonna get one. He's gonna get one. Oh, that was so close. Wait, he's out of ammo. That is so bad. Okay. Okay, I need ammo. Oh, nice box of ammo. Is it? Yeah, it is. Cool. Where do I have to go? Oh wait, okay, there's a map up there. Okay. Did not see that. Come on. We must save all cats. Okay, well, this is so random. Our fridge was so empty it created a black hole and... Ooh. What if I do? Oh, okay, there are so many spawning. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh boy, 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 boy. You will not get any cats. Don't get ammo yet. Why are we loading? Come on. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay, cool. Reload. Is there any more ammo? Oh, I need his health right here. Come on. Ooh. Can we drive these things? Whoa! Hamster! Hamster is kidnapping all the cats. Are you serious? That is just not cool. I'm out of ammo. Brilliant. Oh, wow, he's shooting. He's dropping all hamster bombs. Are you serious? What's for the hamsters? I died. Are you serious? I died. Wow. Oh, I can do third-person view as well. What's this? Oh, cool. I can dance or, like, celebrate. Oh, ammo. Need this. Let me get the ammo. Why was not letting me get the ammo at all? Come on. Die. These ones are tougher than usual. Why? Oh, my goodness, no. He's gonna get that cat. He's gonna get that cat. There's so many. Nope. Die. Oh, I need to reload everything. There's hamsters flying everywhere. Oh. No, he got a cat. Are you serious? Oh, great. Wow, I hope you enjoy that cat and then don't take any more. Great, you got a cat. Oh my goodness. This one, is that Garfield? Is that Garfield? Okay. So, King Hamster. We've got to get him. Where is he? Whoa. Hello. We are going to destroy you. Come on, shoot. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Of all times to be out of ammo. What is he shooting at me? Come on, get him. Am I out of ammo? I'm fully out of ammo on everything. Is there anywhere I can get ammo? Oh boy. Okay. I really need ammo. There's nowhere I can get ammo. I can't do anything. Can I get him from the knife? I'm just gonna sit here and die. That's all I can do. Okay. There is no way I can get ammo. Are you serious? Not fair. Wow. They should put ammo there. Wow. Ammo. We're gonna need a lot of this. Okay, I reckon... Oh. This one is rolling. Okay. I reckon we're gonna be good to go and get this guy. Yeah! Come on, I can do aiming as well. This is amazing. Okay. Am I even doing anything? I really don't even know. Come on. Get him with everything you got. Oh, wait, what? They're shielding and making sure they can't do anything. Come on, that's not cool. I'm out of ammo. Oh, boy. Oh, we're dead. Okay. Why is there so many hamsters? I'm dead. Oh, wait, I have heal packs up here. No way, I didn't even see that. How about this hamster? Oh, no. Wow. I've got 9 bullets left. And I'm out. Why? This is the worst. What? Ammo. Oh, boy. Ammo. Please. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Come on. I got this. Come on. This is so bad. No, I'm not losing any more health. These hamsters are so bad. No! Why? Come on! Oh, come on. I can't wait till we destroy this giant hamster. No! You are going down, hamster. I've got full ammo. You're done for. Come on. Not the bees, no, shooting little ground hamsters. Come on, just shoot him anywhere. Come on. Wow, this is so annoying. Heal, there we go. And this gun's out of ammo, this one now. Why is there so many little ground hamsters? They're everywhere. Okay, I need this, so I need this. Oh no, what? This one wasn't even off. Oh, okay, I forgot about that one. Come on. Die, aliens. Hamsters. Oh my goodness. They're in UFOs. What do they look like? Okay. Oh, heal. Okay. I have a good feeling about this one. We can so get him. It's so annoying when you die. Like, you have to go all the way back to the start. Not good. Come on. How many times have I got to shoot him? Hamster! Come on. Oh, I'm fully out of ammo. I'm fully out of ammo. Oh. Yes. Reload. Come on. Heal. Get them. Get those. Oh. Those hamsters are so bad. Those hamsters are so bad. I'm stuck. Oh boy. Heal. And I'm out of ammo again. Oh, this is so bad. This is so bad. Just gotta run. Come on. Come on. Give me this. Yes. Die. Where? Oh my goodness, let's just get him. We are so close to winning, come on. No, not more aliens, are you serious? Aliens. Hamsters, come on. These hamsters are so bad. Come on. Come on, we can so do this. Come on, just... I'm out of ammo. Ooh, ammo here, ammo here. Oh, wow. Just die, hamsters. Come on, we are so nearly getting him. Look how much health he's got. Come on. Get him. Oh. Yes. Oh. Did we die? What's going on? We did it. Oh. We did it. That was one mission. Okay, we rescued 8 cats. Our kills was 44. 3 keys. Our time was 6 minutes, nearly 7. We lost 1 cat. Wait, does that mean... Was that Flurry? Does that mean we lost 1 cat, or... Huh. Does it mean Flurry or not? Okay. Well... I mean, we did it, and there's no continuing and everything, so... We did it. Wow. Whoever knew hamsters could be so bad. Ooh, level up. Nice. What's this? Cool gun for a while. Okay. News from your fridge. Oh wow. You can play oh well, soon Mad Guns, which is what the game that's called, you can play on PC. Cool. Did I just... Oh wow, I did not mean to do that at all. I can see a giant turkey and a giant cat fighting on that city over there. Can you see that? What on earth? Oh. Oh, the cat's... Whoa. What is going on? Boy, I have no idea what is going on right now. Whoa. That is so weird. What? Okay. Wow. Well, guys, that's the end for the video. If you liked it, please leave a like. That'd be absolutely great. Yeah, and subscribe if you want to come aboard on my channel. And we will gladly have you aboard. Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Till next time, you're all awesome. Goodbye.